All right, so I got a fun new package today, or at least I think it's a fun new package today, so we'll get right into it right now. So, check this out. Super exciting. Wow, this is so small. I can bring it over here next to my measurement device. Look at that. Super small. So, let's do an unboxing. And I guess it's sort of funny that I'm using a document camera to record an unboxing of a document camera. Well, it's actually my cell phone, so I'm excited to not have to use my cell phone for this anymore. I will have a new document camera to explore with. So check this out. So what do we got? So we got store, use. What is this guy? Very neat, very neat. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I don't want to break it. Let's do this. Let's read this. So, first time users, gently move the arm from side to side to free from the store socket. Okay, so it's the store socket, and then you put it in the... So I gotta pull it out. So you can see there, it says store, that says use. So I'll just move it out. There we are. And then now, oh yeah, you can see it's in that position. And there we are. So, now we just need to get it hooked up. So, I'm just going to bring this down so you can actually have a better look at it. And there we are. So, and then where's the camera? There's the camera on it. So cool little head there. Got a few buttons, so I'll have to explore that. And then there's the little pad to put your computer on that, so it stays nice and stable, which I think is super cool and makes it very easy to use. And then there we are. So we can have the document camera there, and it's all balanced. So yeah, cool. I'm excited to get started with it. So yeah, we'll see more over the next few days. Thanks again for watching, and yeah, happy making.